you go. So yeah, so this is the Hermes one that we have for today. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Today is a good day. We have another package that we have. This one came from Paris. So we do have a really good sales associate in there. His name is Steven. He's the one who gave us the opportunity to offer us a bag in there last year, and then yeah, so we have a continued relationship as a customer and sales rep. So I asked him this wonderful item from there that it's hard to get here in America. I don't know if that one is hard to get to in France, but he was able to make it happen. So this one, I ordered this one 2 weeks ago. So here's the package. This one came from DHL. And dun, 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 it's just a really small package that we have, but it's really nice. So this one is hard to get item from Hermes. And there you go. So yeah, so this is the Hermes one that we have for today that we're going to unbox. Do you have any guesses on this one? Because this is a really a nice one. And it came with a dust bag. My husband doesn't know this one yet. It's heavy. And no further ado, if you do have any questions, if you love bags, if you love travel, if you do have love our channel, you can subscribe, comment below, and follow us on our Instagram. It's Carlo&Seb, CarloAndseb. And then we can do more chit-chatting in there. But anyways, no further ado, going back to this one. Do you have any guesses what this one? Pause this one, comment below what you think this is all about. This one is a really nice one. And then this one is this is a clue. But this one is the, hold on. Oh my gosh! This is the Faubourg. This is the Faubourg Cadena. Faubourg Cadena is the front of the store, but there is a good thing about this one, because when you unlatch this one, like so, and then how do you do it? You push it, and then there's going to be a secret pocket in it. And then I don't know how you do this. You're just going to put it like that and then screw it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my Birkin and then twist it around, and there you go. So pretty. Although yes, it does have two different colors, because this one is palladium or silver, and then my bag is gold. But look at this, so pretty. Let me take a picture on that. There you go. So yeah, what do you think of this one? This one is about 903 euros, or about $960. And the unfortunate thing on this one, just FYI, I paid tax for it. I paid a total of $112 tax, import tax from the customs. So technically $946 plus $112. So do the math, it's probably $1,200. But it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Right? Now I'm gonna surprise Sebastian, like, ooh, we have this one. But anyway, I am fortunate to have a person, a sales associate that I can have a contact with still, directly from France, and then he's able to give me all those trinkets, little trinkets like this, that is hard to get. We also got the Pobo MagSafe from him, but I think I saw it in Hermes in South Coast Plaza the other day. So that one is kind of like not really limited edition type of thing because you can buy it from the store. This one, I would think that this is a limited one because he told me that there's only 3 at the store, and then 2 were already sold. And then he told me to, if I want it, because probably December, I sent him the wish list that I have, and then yeah, and then he gave it. After a month, he pulled through, and then he told me that, oh, I have one available right now. Do you want it? And I'm kind of like, yes. How much is it? And then he told me, technically, so just be aware of that one, that the price of this one, so this one really is 828 euros, and then there's a $75 shipping cost, and then so that came to $903 plus $112 of the. So I'll show you this so that you know what it is, and then I'm not kidding on this one. So yeah, so technically this is the key holder, Hermes Faubourg surprise stainless steel, and then this one is made in France. Net weight is 42 grams, and then yeah, so if you're going to buy this one in France, it's only 828 euros. But because I cannot wait of getting it already, so I told him to ship it here, plus the $75 shipping fee, plus $112 of the import tax, and then so it came down to 100. Let's just say 1,200. 1,200. I know it's a lot, but it is worth it because I think I saw a resale value on this one, or they're reselling it for $3,000. So that's insane, I know. But there is one that you can buy for $1,500 to $2,000. But now I have it, so here we go. Yay! Anyways, thank you very much for watching. This is it for this video. I just want to share the Hermes unboxing that we have had, and then we hope that you like this kind of like video that we have. If you are not subscribers yet, please do subscribe because it helps us, our channel, grow. Right now we are at a 2,600. The goal is 3,000 this year, so make it happen. Please do subscribe. You will see travel, unboxing, luxury or not luxury unboxings, lifestyle that we have, and then things like that. So if you're interested on that, please do subscribe, comment below, and then share this video to whoever you like. Sharing is caring. And then we hope that we'll see you again in the next video. We love you all. Thank you very much. I'll see you again. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. Bye.